Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 16 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish our sheets. So I showed you how to create all the sheets right here and to add them to all of them. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to send it to Twinmotion. So before you do that, you want to make sure that you're in fine, and then it's up to you if you want to make it shade or consistent color. So it's really up to you. But once you have it ready, save it and then open your Twinmotion, and then here Datasmith, we're going to export Datasmith's file. So I'm gonna save it right here. You can change the name if you want. I'm gonna save it like that, and then I open the Twinmotion already. So I have the latest 2025.1, and you need to go here into your import, and then click here, and you go to the location that you saved it. So I'm gonna open it and then go to the location, and then I save it right here and just click open and then import. So once everything is done, we also need to delete the landscape. So we're gonna press OK, and then we're just going to remove those starting base landscape. Of course, we're gonna leave that ground there. And then now this is blinking because the starting ground, we just need to lower it a little bit, and as you can see, everything is good now. And then what we can do afterwards is to save it first. So save, and then let's go to our file right here and then put in-house and then click on save. And then once you're saved, click file again, sign into Epic Games. So once you're signed in, you'll be able to have or you have access to all of this right here. And then after that, we go to ambient camera, and this is important that we turn on parallelism. So let's turn that on, and then here in environment, you'll be able to enable so let's go right here, HDRI, and then here let's use backdrop, and then you'll be able to add different kinds. So HDRI, outdoor right here, and you'll be able to choose which one you want. We have sunset right here. So what you need to do is just drag and drop. There we go. And then you just need to change the height offset of that, and then once you change the height offset, you'll be able to do rotation as well to see how everything reflects, and then you'll be able to change the size of that as well. There we go. And then after that, what we're gonna do is we're going to start adding material. So I'm gonna focus on glass first. So clear glass, I'm gonna select that, and then put in opacity, and then we're gonna put in tint, and then I think that's good enough. I'm not gonna use mask. And then after that, we're gonna play around with opacity later on, especially when we're when we change the lighting, and then once we have the rendering. Go to metal, or you can pick this one right here, material picker, and we want to make sure metallic is all the way at the end, and then we can change the color right here to black for this one, for that aluminum, and then we could just select this one as well. And then we could go to wall covering. I'm gonna use satin paint, satin white right there, and then we're gonna choose others as well. So we want to make sure that everything is selected similar to that, so that it becomes consistent. There we go. And then after that, we're going to add the matte paint right here, but we're going to change it to black. And then this one will be similar to this, so that it's consistent. And then we could just have that one like that as well. And then here we're going to change this one to wood material, and then scale it up, and then 90 degrees, and then that's fine right there. Maybe we can do a different one without this graining there, the pattern. So I think this is good enough like that. So now I'm going to make this one a little bit darker, so more dark black theme. And then in terms of the frame here, of course, like that. And then here, this one, it needs to be the material for neon. There we go. So now everything is glowing like that. We need to decrease this one right here, specialty lights. We need to lower the intensity, and then the temperature. There we go. I think that's good. And then the lights here, we need to select all these lights right here that we can see. And then we're gonna change the intensity to 10 as well, and then the color temperature, something like that, much better. And then why not this one as well? it's a lot visible. There we go. Look, it looks much better. And then now we're going to change the ground material. So nature first. So this one, this grass, let's change it to this one. And then go back to ground, man-made. We're going to change this. Concrete road. I'm gonna scale it up. And then here we could do this cobblestone. Scale it a bit. There we go. And then concrete here. There we go. And then maybe we could just add this one right as well, so that everything is consistent. Scale this one as well. And of course we're gonna put the proper proper grass there. We're not gonna leave it like that. So very basic, just white, and then we have something like that right there. As you can see, a very simple design, but it looks much better. Now we're going to select all the floors that we have, and then we can actually just go and populate them, place, and then we're gonna do scatter, and then go back here, vegetation, grass. We're going to put in long grass like that multiple times so that it looks much better. It's more populated. And then after that, select all of them, and then select this one, and then as you can see, one click and everything is added quickly like that. And then of course we have some thing that we need to clean up. So similar to that, we need to clean up a little bit here. There we go. Just making sure that you have that properly there, and everything is still showing properly. So that's the only thing that I want to clean up. Something like this one as well. So why not clean up? At least just a little bit like there. And then we're good with this. Looks much better. And then we're going to add some background buildings. So I'm gonna have my user library, and we're gonna choose one of the houses here, I'm just gonna use this. We can turn this out like so. Lower it down. Okay. I want to try this one. This one is too big, so maybe this model building right here for background purpose. Then we could just have this one right here. Not sure if this is the best one that we could do. Something like this could also work. I think that's perfect. Thing got extended, so I'm happy with that. And then now we just need to make it nice. Let's add in more vegetation. So I'm gonna add in some bushes right here. Maybe something like this. This one's good right here. I'm just going to add more of them, different sizes. Okay, and then we're going to add this one onto this side. This one to this side, something a little bit big. There we go. And then this one, we could just copy it. We could do 25 all the way at the back right there. I'm just gonna undo this because it doesn't feel nice, so I rather do it manually. Number 4, so different sizes. There we go. And then we'll add different things there. Here, maybe I'm gonna put in right here. Right. And let's go to the other side. I'm gonna add this one right here. I'm gonna turn it around and then change the H. Just adding those, as you can see, it looks much better now. And then I'm gonna choose something like a nicer tree here. Just for the front. Maybe I'll do this one instead. It's too big. I think that's good enough there. Gonna move it somewhere right here. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.